To replace the battery on your key fob, this works on about 2014 to 2020 vehicles. If you have this key fob, all you're going to do is you're going to push this button to release your key. And then this allows you to grab on the back side of the key. You'll just put your finger in that space, and then you're going to pull forward. That will pop off the back. And then you have a CR2032 battery. You can use a small, this is the back of a fingernail file. You could use a small screwdriver, and then you're just going to pry that battery up. You'll take a new battery, and you'll see there's a little lip here. We want to push that battery under that lip, and then we want to push it down. You do want to make sure it gets seated underneath the other side as well. So you're going to push down and push back into that seat, and then all you will do is push your back on. Hopefully this helps you replace the battery on your Chrysler product. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.